Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and accounts. First, make sure battery is at least 50% and your Wi-Fi or SIM is available. This prevents interruptions. Next, confirm the Huawei ID and Google account details you own, because account access makes restoration smoother. If not, create or note down the account now. Once done, connect a USB cable to a PC for high suite, or learn the key combo to enter recovery mode, because those are the first actionable steps you will use. Now you go into the deeper process. Power the phone off, then press power plus volume up until the Huawei logo appears. That opens recovery mode. Use the volume keys to highlight wipe data/factory reset and press power to select. Confirm the action when prompted, because this erases the lock and user data. After the wipe completes, select Reboot System now. If factory reset protection appears, you will need the previously used Google or Huawei account credentials to finish setup. Don't skip that step. You finish by completing setup and handling issues. After reboot, sign in with the Huawei ID or Google account used before the reset. That removes FRP if credentials match. If you can't remember the account, immediately use account recovery on another device or PC to reset your password, because FRP will otherwise block access. If the phone still refuses to unlock or shows hardware errors, connect to High Suite for a firmware repair or contact Huawei support. They can verify ownership and assist with advanced recovery procedures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.